Hope my jugaad works.
I decided to get a carrier. Hello people. I wouldn't say good morning, it's a good afternoon. The time is about 11:58. And today we are headed out to get a small accessory fitment for my motorcycle here. I was thinking about this for a few days. I was sitting at home idle all these days. So it just struck my mind that where do I mount my fuel can that I carry? Because in the last ride I got it at the last moment since I was traveling by myself, and I decided to carry some spare fuel along with me. I just put it in one of the saddle bags, made some space, and it worked out fine. But then I realized that is not the solution to it. Now if you've noticed on the RE Himalayan, the cans can be mounted on either side of the fuel tank on the frames that are already provided. So you just need to use these mounts and put them up there. But unlike that, my bike, you don't have such an option. And I'm kind of not interested in welding something or creating a frame to hang it. So I decided to get a carrier on which I will place this. So that's what struck my mind. As it is, I prefer traveling solo, so I use the rear seat to have my drive bag or backpack or whatever it is I'm carrying. So what I'm going to do today is we'll head to the shop, purchase the carrier, go to the mechanic, get it fixed. Carrier, long carrier. So I come to Kishore Auto Parts in Tipsandra. My workshop is quite close by here, so this is the place where you get Royal Enfield spares and its accessories. He's got all different headlamps, mountings, keychains, lights, tires, everything. So we got our carrier. I'm doing some jugaad to carry it now. Now we head to the workshop to get it fixed. So now Harish, the proprietor of this workshop, is working on my bike. He's going to loosen that. He's already removed this. So next, the clamp which comes with the carrier has to go in there. So we'll remove that bolt. Patience, bro, patience. Slowly. This will sit like this, sir. I don't think you can see it. We'll fix it in the short. Here we have this side fixed at the bottom. Now we just have to align it at the top. Working on the other side now. So this is a place where I get my bike's job done. Main purpose of fixing the carrier is to mount this here, and then this will go on top like this, and we'll tighten it. Hope my jugaad works. We have little gap here. You see this gap, right? This rod is quite thin, this is quite thick. We need to give it some packing so it doesn't move. Long haul gasoline, 1.3 gallon or 5 liters. My jugaad is almost complete. My jugaad is almost there, but this bolt is too long, so the can doesn't go in. We need to cut it off. And there it is, our long haul can mounted. Doesn't move, no shaking. I hope it doesn't vibrate. Bro, killer rubber packing kudusta? Killer. This reflector was broken last time. So getting that replaced. So do comment and let me know what you think about this jugaad that I did on my bike to carry the fuel can. This is how it looks. Yes sir, Mr. Regin, what do you think about it? So we're done with fixing. And now we just head back home and stay put at home. Until the next video then, bye.